Find the perimeter. Well, we've got these two sides. This time it's a right angle triangle, and you guys are experts at right angle triangles now. So we have to find this side in order to find the perimeter, don't we? I'm going to say the hypotenuse is square root of the other two adjacent sides squared and added together, right? Because we know that 4 squared plus 7 squared, and if I call the hypotenuse x, it's going to be x squared, isn't it? So x will just be square root of that, isn't it? So that's why I just found the hypotenuse straight away without even giving a definition of our Pythagoras theorem. But as I said, you guys should be very used to this now. So if I go straight to the step, make sure you're trying to understand, okay? Answer that, or put that in your calculator. That one, 2 decimal places, so 8.06. Hypotenuse is 8.06, we've got 4 and we've got 7, so the perimeter must be those added together, which is this. Easy. Perimeter is usually easy if you have all the sides given. Find the perimeter. Okay, now this time we can't actually find the perimeter yet because we need to find this length. If I find that length, I could find the perimeter easily. Because I don't have that, I'll try to find that. What should we use? Hopefully you guys can identify the right angle triangles, but we can't actually use this right angle triangles because we don't have enough information. We don't have the hypotenuse given to us. So what I'm going to do is use this triangle first. I might call that just x, and that would be y. So then x squared plus 4 squared is 10 squared. So x squared is, just move the 4 squared over, square root, and that should be your answer. 3 decimal places, that's what I have. So that's x. So because I have x now, I've got the hypotenuse of this triangle. So we know that in that triangle, y squared plus 7 squared is x squared. But because x is that, substitute it in and move the 7 squared over, square root it, calculate it, correct it to 3 decimal places. That is your answer. That is this length here. So our perimeter, make sure we don't stop there. Make sure you answer the question. It's asking for the perimeter. So it's that plus that plus that plus that. Add it all up and you should get something like that. Okay, find the perimeter. Okay, again guys, we have all sides except for this side here. We have to find this side. Again, you should be very good at this, guys. I shouldn't have to explain this. You should also identify that we can draw a straight line here to make a right angle triangle. Call that x again. We know that if that's 7, this is also 7. This length here, because this length is 10 and that's 5, that length would be 10 minus 5, which is 5. So I've got my right angle triangle, and to 1 decimal place, it's 8.6, isn't it? So therefore, I've got x, that's 8.6. So now all we need to do, I'll rub this out so you don't get confused. X plus 10 plus 7 plus 5 is our perimeter. So add them up and you should get 30.6. Okay, so that's my answer. Very, very simple. Just using Pythagoras theorem.